Hi there, today we're going to learn about how to change the header image of our category page in our Wix Studio website. So here I am in my Wix Studio website and here I am in my category page. In case you don't know how to go here, you can just click this button right here on the upper left and then it will display all the pages of your website and then we'll just go to the category page. And then we will right click on here, select a layer, and then we will click on the category page. And then we will just click on manage products. After that, the dashboard will open up. And then we will just click on categories here on the sidebar. And then we will click on all products. And then here is the header image of our category page. You can just change this. If you want to remove it, you can do so as well. But we will just go ahead and replace the image. For example, if you want to have your own image, you can just upload here using upload media, but you can also use the built-in Wix galleries. For example, I will just search for sunglasses. This is a sunglasses website template. For example, I'll just choose this one and then click on add to page. And then once it's done, we'll just click on save. Click on close, and if for some reason you still can't see your header image, you can just go ahead and again select the layer, click on settings, and then see for the display if the image option is turned on or not. So if you want to turn this on, just click on it, and now we have our header image of the category page. So if you want to edit it some more, just click on settings. You can choose layout. If you want to change the position of your header image, you can do so as well, like that. So I change it from inline to top. From top to inline. And then if you want to change it some category placement right here, so like that, you can also do that as well, where it overlays around your header image, or if you want above or below, and so on and so forth. And then for the design, if you want to change some font color, you can do so as well. But that's basically it in changing your header image in the category page, and I hope you learned how to do it on your Wix Studio website. And that is it for this video, and thank you for watching.